Guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create a post on the reddit.com website, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device and then tap on this plus icon at the top of the screen next to the advertise button. After that, you should wait a few seconds till it loads and then you will be able to create your post in a few seconds. You should choose a community first of all to which you are joined. After that, here you can find the posting policy at the top. First of all, you should add the title. So type it in, then you should type in your text. Here you can make it bold, italicize it, add links, strike through, and you can change the heading. After that, you can select this spoiler, so you can mark it as a spoiler or as a not safe for work tag, or you can add the flare too. Here you can select the flares, click on the apply button and then tap on the pause button if you are done. As you can see, you can also add photos and videos. So if you go back to the previous section, you can see that you can upload images and videos, you can attach links, you can make polls and talks as well. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.